Rebecca.
Today I'm going to be doing a scrap buster with the Ellie and Mac free scrunchie pattern. Great for using up any leftovers. This is a bullet material. Some places call it Liverpool. It's polyester based, got a bit of stretch to it. But I make scrunchies out of all sorts of things. This is a squish or double-sided minky. We have some nice soft bamboo French terry. There's some cotton French terry there, and even flannelette. So you get different looks depending on what you're using. Same pattern, different fabrics make a big difference on the look. Got my cutting mat, well used, well loved, and I'm gonna just trim off with my rotary cutter that selvage edge. And then cut the rectangle based off of the pattern. Yeah, I'm going to be a little short on this scrap, and that's okay. Won't make a big difference. Just won't be quite as poofy. But I do want to work with nice square edges, so I'm going to square off this end. And that's the bulk. I chose a pattern that's going to look nice once it's folded over and all scrunched up. If you pick something with a larger pattern on it, it's just not going to show up the same. Next is the elastic that goes on the inside. I've got a 1/4 inch elastic here. The recipe calls just for, the pattern calls for 7 inches. I like to double that because I like to go 2 loops around. So we are going to go with 14 inches. And that is all cut out. Next comes a sewing machine. Okay, I'm ready to close up the scrunchie. I like to come in from behind. That's going to hide your thread. Pull that through. I like to loop it through itself. Less chance of it pulling through there. Okay, now you're not going to be able to see this on the video, but I'm going to do a ladder stitch to close this up. Trying to tuck in any of these loose threads, but also trim them off later. So starting at where my machine seam ends, Don't know how to do a ladder stitch, great time to learn, but not from me. Lots of other tutorials out there that will show that in more detail. Keep in mind your seam allowance here. You want to keep that 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch consistent. Try and avoid any bulging. Bulge is good in some places, but not here. And start to close up this ladder stitch. Trim off any of those excess threads. Flip her around, and there you go. You've got yourself a scrunchie. Scrunchie for you.
Yeah.
Turn around. I'll put it in.
Do you like scrunchies?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Look at the faces he makes. Okay, let's see.
There you go, bud.
Let's see. Stop moving.
Hold still.
Oh! Let me see your face.
Look at Mom.
Mecca. Yeah. Okay.